and then it will return a value of string. Okay, so we can use this for our integer parse int. We can convert this one into int, right? So integer that that parse int, and then we can copy this whole code, Control X in order to cut the code, and paste it here, and semicolon. So we are going to be needing a another int to store the value in this code. Okay, so of course it will return int, so we're going to create an int variable, int var1, for instance, is equals to integer that parse int. So the value of this code that is already integer will go to the var1, and then we're going to add an if statement that will check if the value of our spinner is less than 0, and it will still return 0 and not a negative number. Okay, so if copy the var1 is less than 0, we're going to copy the spinner that set value. We're going to set the value into 0. So let's see what is the result. So this is the spinner that we have coded here. So as you can see, whenever we're going to try to make the value negative, like in this one, it will return as 0, right? So it will never be negative, and that is what we want. So it's successful, I believe. And the thing we needed to do is to copy the code in this and in this one, so it will make the same result, right? So it's very simple, right? So we can copy this, paste and paste, but first you have to edit what spinner is it. Alright, so for instance, this is spinner 3, it will require this spinner 3, and this is spinner 1. So copy this, paste in here and here. So the var is not really needed to be renamed because it is local variable and will be and are able to use in this, in just this method, right? It's not global variable, so it will not return as error. Okay, and we're going to change this one too. Okay, and let's see if we have the result. So 0 0 0. All right, so we're going to code these 3 little boxes here in the text fields, that whenever we are going to click to add the quantity, it will automatically show us the result here of the total amount by these prices. Alright, so we're going to back to the design, click, right click, events, and alright, so I guess it's not event, it's here. Alright, still on the same, still here. What the hell? Okay, my bad. Okay, so whenever we change the value here, the result will go here. Alright, the code is in here. Sorry, this is impromptu actually. So first we are going to add the price. We're going to declare the price of this, okay, so that we can use it in this code. So let me show you. For instance, we're going to add here int adobo is equal to 25, int peanut bet is equal to 30 and rice is equal to 10. I guess that's correct. Yeah, that's correct. So we can use these variables in any of these methods because it is declared globally, universal, I guess. Sorry, I'm not very good at this. Alright, so for example, the spinner change, we're going to add a method here, else. Okay, and we're going to solve this. For example, the spinner tree is in this adobo, so you can check the name, spinner tree. So every time we click, or we're going to get the value here. So for instance, we have the value 0, it will show us this 0. For 1, it will show us 25. For 2, it will times the value of 25 and this quantity, and will show the price here. Okay. So we're going to get the variable 1 times it to the adobo. So times adobo, and we can get the result, but it will not show in the in this text field. So you're going to get the text field, Control C, copy the text field, and then paste it here, and then click set text. Alright, it'll like a string and return void. Double click and then copy this, paste it here, and it shows as an error. What the hell? Okay, so what's the matter here is int cannot be converted to string. Okay, so this is int and the text field set text is actually a string. So we're going to convert this into string. Right. So you're going to encircle it with a close and open parenthesis. Alright, not good, not good. How about concatenate string here? Alright. Alright. 25, 50. So the method we have used here is we add a string that has no value here, that has no character, and concatenate with the var times adobo. So it's just a simple thing, because the text field is returning string, so it's an error if we use just this, because this is int. Okay, and we're going to use the same method to this, but with a different text field. So for instance, the spinner 1 is, let's see, this is a spinner 1. We're going to use the text field. Sorry. Okay. So yeah, we're going to get this and paste. So also it will not be adobo. Okay. So the spinner 1 is pinakbet. We're going to get the value of pinakbet and click it here, change it. So the value will times on the value of pinakbet, which is 30 and different from adobo. Same method will be used here at the bottom, and it will change. Sorry. Okay, we have pasted here. It will be rice and spinner 2 will be text field 3. Alright, let's see if we can get the same result. Yeah, so yeah, 8 add to 10, 10 by 10, 30 by 30, and 25. So what we're going to do is to add purchase button here.